It's all original except for 3 items. One being the power cord. The original cotton cord was all frayed. It has reproduction propellers, but they're excellent reproductions. And it has a new center shaft. Together is that tube is new. This has no chrome missing on the airplane, and it is in excellent shape. The lights, sockets, switches, and everything are all original on the entire unit. I've tried to show that in some of the pictures. What is very unique about this one is how ornate the ashtray stand part is. It's very heavily tooled and is a heavy cast item. There is damage, and it's to the marble pipe holder. It is missing 2 pieces. One that I'm trying to get a close-up on this side, and one on the other side. All the chrome on the lids is in good shape. The tubs themselves have been cleaned and painted. All 3 of them. To highlight, there is a little rust, as you will see, on the inside of the one, I guess it's an ash bowl. The other bowls have any rust on them. The lids and everything are fine. There's a very minor bit of surface rust on the inside. The bottom marble is not chipped or cracked. It has the original switches, light, carrier. There is a couple of scratches. I'm going to try and get close to those. That's by the switch. It may be hard to see, but you have to look hard anyways to see them. There is also very, very minor pitting in a few spots. I'll try and focus in on one of those. But the base and everything is a good solid 9. There still has the original mounting with the ball and socket to swivel the aircraft. I'll try and show you that. It has the original decal, and that'll show in the pictures, but I just wanted to use the video try and get a better shot of the backside. I guess the light is bothering. It doesn't look so good. May not come out that nice. I'm not a video guy. I just try to use this to enhance it so that I don't mislead anyone at all when I'm try and state the condition.